My name is Ben Kletzien, and I'm an operations manager at Teknor Apex. My role is to ensure we reliably serve our customers with quality products while making Teknor Apex the preferred employer of choice for our team members. We're a global material solutions provider. For over a century, we've been partnering with clients to unlock creativity and innovation in many essential industries that impact the world and our everyday lives.
My name is Sullivan. I'm a supervisor at Teknor Apex, South Carolina. I've been employed here for 15 years. Before Mercateam, it was a bit of a challenge. With lack of visibility into who can train and what job they can do, it was difficult to do the rotation. What I would have to do is assign a job, move people around. If someone couldn't do that job, it made it very difficult.
Before, we worked in Excel spreadsheets and emails where communication was scattered and more complex to manage. Now we have full integration of these systems in the Mercateam platform. This gives us the edge in our communication and ability to see who is trained on what skill, the ability to pivot in real time and clearly communicate requirements across the team with full transparency.
My name is Ruiz. I am the training coordinator at Teknor Apex, South Carolina. My role focuses on organizing and tracking the training and the onboarding and all the skill certification across the vinyl department. Now that everything is located in one place, people is able to see where they're gonna be working that specific day. The supervisor is always able to show at the beginning of every shift every single position that is going to be performed that day.
Hey, I'm Hughes. I'm the training coordinator for the hose department. We have our display set up in the common areas for the employees where they're able to see their schedule for the day, their skills, and if they want to pick up an extra shift, they can.
One of our objectives at Mercateam was for operators to take full ownership of their training to gain new skills, but also to maintain their current skill level. Now, team members can clearly see their skills and corresponding skill level with Mercateam. This was a fast adoption. The team at Teknor is quick to take the lead in finding ways to improve. We adopted this tool week one, and our team members enjoy having transparency for their skills and daily schedule.
Mercateam really helps with visibility throughout the department. It helps on the manager level, supervisor level, and the operator level. We are all getting to see what's needed, what we have, and how we can get what we need.
Everybody's in love with Mercateam and what they've done for this company.